Here in Nagaoka, Japan's proud spirit of craftsmanship thrives. It's a spirit built on unshakable dedication and passion that transcends time. Rooted in tradition yet driven by innovation, this commitment fuels industries and enhances lives around the world. Nagaoka's manufacturing spans a wide range of industries from automotive and aerospace to robotics. Whether it's a component smaller than a fingertip or a highly precise machine, every product carries the pride of craftsmen dedicated to delivering the highest quality, creating something that speaks for itself the moment it's held. In Nagaoka, manufacturing isn't just about making things, it's about envisioning the future these products will shape. Each piece is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and ingenuity, a seamless blend of artisanal skill and cutting-edge technology. Across different industries, one shared trait binds us together: an unwavering dedication to the unseen details. Our work may not always be in the spotlight, but it forms the backbone of industries, drives society forward, and helps build a better future. The products born from the hands of our craftsmen are more than mere tools. They embody timeless beliefs and pride, sustaining lives in ways that often go unnoticed. This accumulation of passion and persistence is the source of true value. The strong sense of community nurtured in this region underpins every aspect of our manufacturing. Teams work together, combining their individual strengths to tackle challenges with a shared purpose. Even the smallest components carry the belief that they can power entire industries. In Nagaoka, craftsmen embrace change, integrating new technologies and methods to push the boundaries of what's possible. In an inclusive environment where people of all genders and ages can thrive, they inspire one another to create value that looks toward the future. Manufacturing here demands more than routine tasks. It requires constant problem-solving and adaptability to unforeseen challenges. From these efforts come the ability to overcome obstacles and create innovative solutions. This is the essence of Nagaoka craftsmanship. Technology sustains the community, and the community nurtures technology. Nagaoka's manufacturing industry is a vital force driving the local economy. It serves as a bridge connecting technology, people, businesses, and the community while addressing challenges like efficiency and labor shortages. Together with the region, we continue to forge a path toward a brighter future. Blending traditional craftsmanship with the latest technology, Nagaoka's manufacturing is more than production, it's a pursuit of new possibilities. Every process, every product, is infused with pride and a relentless drive to overcome new challenges. This spirit is the DNA of this region. Creation opens the door to the future. From Nagaoka to the world, the challenges embraced by our craftsmen are shaping the future, one step at a time.